What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you what the best email marketing strategy for beginners actually is. If you are a beginner, you're new to email marketing, you're a little worried about how do I do it right? How can I get the best open rates, the best click-through rates? How can I get the most people to subscribe and stay subscribed, right? Those are probably things that you have been wondering, you've been asking yourself. So today, what I want to show you is the best strategy for all beginners. Now, you probably think you know how to do email marketing. I thought the exact same thing. And then I took courses from guys like Anik Singhal, and he taught me how to do email marketing correctly. And that's what I want to show you right now. So what we're going to do is I want to show you what most people do. All right, here's what most people do, and it's a little scary. Most people, when they do email marketing, they set up their whole autoresponder, and here's their email sequence. Okay, very simple. Their email sequence sends everybody to their affiliate or sales offer, whatever it is they're promoting. That's where they send everybody to. Okay, email 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Everything goes to that affiliate or sales offer. Now, I understand it may work, but in most cases, what happens is the person sees the offer, okay. They see the offer again, okay. They see it again, and now they're thinking, I think all they're trying to do is sell me on this one offer. So they unsubscribe. And that's what I don't want to have happen. So what I want to show you is what you need to do. And this is very, very simple, all right? Now, this looks a little complex, right? Probably thinking, that's confusing. It's actually not. You have your email sequence, have a YouTube channel, have an Instagram account, you have your website, and you have your affiliate or sales offer or offers. Okay, here's how it works. I'd send all my traffic from YouTube to subscribe, to land on my landing page or my email opt-in page, whatever you want to call it, and people subscribe to my email sequence. From there, here's the key. This is what most beginners don't do. Most beginners do this, okay, very basic. But what I'm telling you to do is do this. Email 1, send people back to your YouTube channel to learn about new things, or to a website, or to follow you on Instagram or Facebook, just to stay connected. That's really all you want to have happen. Or your first email should be, these are the questions most people ask. An FAQ, frequently asked questions, and you answer them. You don't even send out a link, okay? Email 2, what you do is you send people to an Instagram account, or to maybe you send them to your website and go check out my article I did on X, Y, and Z. But by giving people more content to consume, they're going to follow you on more places, because let's say they saw your video you did on YouTube. Okay, great. They went to go sign up for your email list. Okay, awesome. But you don't want them to just be a subscriber on YouTube and a subscriber on your email list. You want them to be a follower on Instagram. Okay, a friend over on Facebook. You want them to be a reader on your website. Okay, even if they never buy whatever it is you're promoting, at least now you have multiple places to get a hold of that one person. From your YouTube channel, you can send them to an Instagram account. From Instagram, you can send them to your website. From your website, you can send them to your affiliate or sales offers. Okay, but by doing this, what you're doing is you're making a very intricate looking web, and people are getting sucked in and they're staying there. So even if they unsubscribe to your email list, they may still be subscribed to your YouTube channel. They may still be a follower over on Instagram. They may still be a reader over on your website. Okay, now I understand you may not have a website or a big email list or an Instagram account or a Facebook page or a YouTube channel, but the key to this whole strategy is you need to build more than just that email list. Now, an email list is very, very important. However, it's not the end-all be-all. You need a YouTube channel, an Instagram account, a Facebook page, a website. You need all this stuff, because you don't want somebody just to follow you through your email list or over on YouTube. You want somebody to follow you everywhere. That's the key. Now, let me show you something right here. This right here, it's called MailingBoss. Now, I want to show you this deal because it's $50 right now. Okay, it's unlimited email marketing forever. It's a $50 one-time fee. Okay, so you see right here, it's called MailingBoss Unlimited Email Marketing Forever. Here's what I want to show you. normally, and I'll put a link to this page so you can go check it out yourself, but normally it's $997 per year. But as of right now, it is only $50 one-time payment. You get unlimited email lists, unlimited campaigns, unlimited subscribers, unlimited email sends. You get all this stuff, okay? And it's actually pretty cool, okay? Again, it's called MailingBoss. I'll put a link to that down below. Now, I know a lot of people are going to ask, how do I get email subscribers? How do you get people inside that email sequence? And what I like to do is I like to build something called a landing page or a sales funnel, okay? If you don't know how to do that, let me show you this right here. It's called Builderall. I'll put the link to this. It'll be a 7-day free trial to Builderall. If you want to go try it out, go try it. But what you can do is with Builderall, and you also get MailingBoss right here. This isn't unlimited. It's a 10,000 subscriber limit. However, this is only $29 a month, and this allows you to create, a video sales letter, funnels, product launch funnels. It allows you to do just basic landing pages, and that will all help you build that email list, okay? So let me just end this by saying that doing email marketing is something that every business, every company, every influencer, every person should be doing. If you want to stay relevant and you're not on Instagram or on Facebook, or you don't have a big following anywhere, okay, do email marketing. Do email marketing and use the influence that YouTube and Instagram and Facebook all have, and build your audience not just on those platforms, but through your email list as well. Because I guarantee you the money is in the list. People used to tell me this all the time. And for me, I was thinking, no, I'm going to go towards this model, and I'm going to send all my traffic from YouTube, from Facebook, from my website, everything is going to go directly to the affiliate or sales offers that I had. But what I quickly realized is that most people would not buy the first time they saw it. So it would take them multiple emails to even see this and eventually buy. But when I switched it all up, and instead of just promoting that affiliate or sales offer, I went and promoted my YouTube channel and my Instagram page and my Facebook page and my websites and all this different stuff, and free resources over on Wikipedia or whatever. I was just trying to give them great quality content that they could consume but also learn from. And by doing this, more people started to buy. My courses, the sales on courses skyrocketed. My sales on affiliate products skyrocketed. My sales on any affiliate software that I was promoting, everything skyrocketed, simply because my email marketing was on point. So if you're looking for an email marketing strategy that works, this is it right here, okay? Use this one right here. It's very simple. Now, I know it looks complex, like I said earlier, but I tried to explain it. There's only 4 different parts. Got your YouTube channel, your Instagram page, your website, your affiliate or sales offer, and your email sequence. Build these one at a time, because I guarantee you this, the old way of thinking is not working. So if you're doing email marketing, okay, it doesn't matter what software you're using, I highly recommend you do it that way. You go and you do this, because this web is going to keep people in, keep people entertained, keep people coming back. So again, the last thing I just want to say is MailingBoss, as of right now, it's only $50. And best part, let me see if it says it down here. I think it says somewhere, anyway, maybe it doesn't say it, but it's $50, and it does have a guaranteed lifetime plan. It does have a money back guarantee, okay? But again, act now. This is a limited offer. It will not last long, all right? So if you guys have any questions on how to do email marketing correctly, how to make money doing your own email marketing, let me know down in the comment section below. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.